Dynamic Fog and Mist is a lightweight fog solution that adds moving and colored fog for games that require a performant effect. This asset is also included for free in the Volumetric Fog and Mist package, which you can purchase on the asset store. After importing the asset, you will get a few demo scenes and a documentation folder. There are two ways to add fog to your scene using Dynamic Fog and Mist. The first way works as a camera effect by adding the Dynamic Fog script in the inspector panel. In the general settings section of the inspector, you can select an effect variant or pick a legacy preset option to instantly load a default fog configuration. The asset also supports fog volume, which you can use to activate or modify the fog properties when the player enters a zone. The fog properties section allows you to change the distance and height among many other options that will set how the fog will be represented regarding the main camera. You can also choose how Dynamic Fog and Mist effect will merge with the sky by going to the Sky tab and playing with its different values. Finally, you can choose whether to remove or add fog effect in a particular zone of the scene by activating the Fog of War option. The second way to add fog to your scene is by using custom fog materials provided by the asset that use specific shaders that have the fog effect integrated. You can find these materials in the resources folder of the asset. This implementation is even faster, because there is no full screen image effect involved. Instead, the fog is calculated at the same time that the objects are rendered in the scene. Don't forget that you can contact us or visit the official Unity Asset Store for more information. Thank you for watching this video.